Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix floating keyboard problem in your Samsung device. So let's start the video friends. First you have to click on search, click on settings. Here you can see the floating keyboard feature. You can just tap on search and you can see here it is one hand keyboard. So you can just enable this also by doing this. So you can just enable it from the settings, and if it is not enabling or sometimes crashing problem, so you have to just click on search and right in the settings first you have to go to the apps, click on three dots, you can just click on search. Here you have to write Gboard, or you can just write here keyboard. So here friends, you can see here it is Gboard. You have to tap on here, click on storage, and you have to clear cache and clear data. By doing that, this will fix your floating keyboard problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.